What's up, everyone? Today's topic is dampers and why dampers are important. On a grand piano especially, you'll hear sometimes the aftertouch is not perfect. You want a nice clean cutoff, especially in a recording setting. If that doesn't happen, it ruins the flow, it kills the momentum, and it's just plain old doesn't sound right. It depends on the quality of felt you're using. Do not try to save money on felt. Get the best, the French or the Steinway quality felt, even if you're not working on a Steinway piano. Here's an example of a Steinway Model L that was rebuilt recently. I say recently when it's the last, within my lifetime. It's been maybe 10, 15 years ago. And this felt is still not old, but look at it. Look how one part of the felt is lower, the other one is higher. Yeah, it could be adjusted, it could be trimmed down, but overall the quality is just poor. So when this thing lands on a bass string, it does not provide even coverage. And when it comes off a string, the same thing, a very sluggish attack. It feels almost like the piano's out of control. Look at this little damper graveyard. So here we go. We're gonna get rid of this felt. And you want a nice clean surface. Not just like this. You want a nice, perfect surface. So after we cut the felt off, you wanna kind of scrape off whatever's left there. Nice and perfect. Ready for the next one. Here we go, next. Yep. All right, let's speed this up. We got a whole set of these to go through and a whole lot more operations before this piano is complete. But it's all in order. You cannot rush any part of this job. You want it to be perfect. If you find yourself that you're in a hurry and you're stressing out about it, the best thing you can do for yourself is just stop, walk away from it. Walk away, you're gonna do a bad job. It's okay, take 10 minutes, take 5 minutes, go have a drink of water, go move a piano, come back ready for work. Don't let yourself have a bad time working. You have to enjoy every part of the job.